In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Wix checkout page for a seamless shopping experience. This walkthrough is particularly handy for anyone looking to tailor the checkout process according to their business needs, ensuring that your customers enjoy a smooth and efficient shopping journey. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Wix editor or Wix Studio using a Chrome. This is where you'll have access to all the tools and settings required to make any necessary adjustments on your site. It's generally a good idea to use Chrome for such tasks because of its compatibility and performance advantages. Once you have the Wix editor open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a series of menu options. What you'll want to do is go to the Wix Stores dashboard. This is the central hub for managing everything related to your online store, from inventory to customer orders, and of course, the checkout process. In the Wix Stores dashboard, keep an eye out for an option labeled Checkout Settings. Selecting this will take you into the area where you can customize how your checkout page looks and works. Now that you're in the checkout settings, it's time to explore how you can make this page uniquely yours. You can start by customizing the fields. This means defining which information you need from your customers at checkout, like shipping details or any other particular information essential to your business operations. You might want to consider what's most important for your orders without overwhelming your customers with too many questions. Then, take a look at the design of your checkout page. This is your opportunity to make sure it aligns with the overall aesthetic of your website and brand. You could adjust colors, fonts, and layout, ensuring that the page not only looks professional, but is also user-friendly and intuitive. Lastly, focus on payment options. It's crucial that you offer a variety of these as it provides flexibility and convenience for your customers. Make sure to check that everything from credit card payments to PayPal and other options you want to offer are set up correctly. With these adjustments in place, it's essential to test the checkout process. This step is critical to ensuring that everything functions as it should, from the input of customer information to the actual payment process. Run a few test transactions yourself or ask a colleague to try it out. Pay close attention to the user experience, looking for anything that might be confusing or troublesome. And there you have it. Customizing your Wix checkout page not only enhances the shopping experience for your customers, but can also lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this useful in optimizing your online store.